Hey everybody, it's Miss Wilson. We have been learning about absolute location in social studies. Absolute location is the exact location of a place, a specific place on Earth. You can find absolute location using two different ways. One is the exact address. Our school is at 250 School Street, Junction, Kentucky, 40440. That's one way to find absolute location. But we've also learned about finding absolute location using latitude and longitude. Remember, latitude lines run horizontally. They run this way. So all of these lines running this way are latitude lines. They are determined by north above the equator or south below the equator. This map is all north because the United States is above the equator. So those are all latitude lines. You can see the very bottom of Florida here is almost touching 25 degrees north. That's a latitude line. Here going through Louisiana, we're at 30 degrees north. That's a latitude line. So all of those lines running horizontally are latitude lines. Longitude lines run vertically. They run up and down and they determine east of the prime meridian or west of the prime meridian. All of these locations on this map are going to be west because the United States is in the western hemisphere. So longitude lines run vertically. That's the yellow line. So you can see that this word Iowa is in between the 90-degree west longitude line and the 100-degree west longitude line. Here's Kentucky, where we live. It's in between 80 degrees west and 90 degrees west. So if you had to find the absolute location of a specific place, let's say, I'm trying to find one that might be easier to do. Let's just focus on this word, Florida. Not a specific place, but the word Florida. We can see it's in between 25 degrees north and 30 degrees north, the word itself, and it's in between 80 degrees west and 92 degrees west. 90 degrees west, sorry. So we would have to use that information to find the exact location. If I'm focusing on, let's just focus on the letter D. The letter D. And this map doesn't have every single degree, so we're going to try to be as accurate as we can. But the letter D, if I draw a line from the D to the latitude lines, that looks like it's pretty close in between 25 degrees and 30 degrees north. So I'm going to say that that's 27 degrees north. And then if I take my pen and I follow the D as closely as I can, all the way up the longitude line, it's closer to the 80 than to the 90, and these are divided in increments of 10. So I'm going to say this is about 83 degrees west. Therefore, the D in Florida is located at 27 degrees north. We separate the directions by comma. 83 degrees west. I hope that makes sense. And we will keep practicing and working on this as we continue through our geography unit. See you next time.